travel insurance covers what and what and what and what and what?
Travel insurance will cover death, will cover illness, loss of baggage, loss of passport, loss of cash, injury, trip cancellation.
We live in a digital world, and I am of the impression the people who haven't caught up yet is insurance.
That's true.
And let me explain. Of course, our certificate of good conduct is required every year.
Right.
Other than that fingerprinting thing, and I remember, I was laughing with those guys at CID Kiambu. And I told them, sasa nitarudi hapa and said, hey, hatutakuona tena. Literally, you get an SMS, it tells you, you go, you print it. We get onto eCitizen, we print our renewed driving license. And we go and we get glue stick and we put it on.
Right.
You guys.
Us guys.
Hey. And I know this is where you and I started this conversation because the research made it very clear that young people don't get insurance. And I think it's the communication, number one, how you market it.
Correct.
But number two, access. For them, everything must be available on their phones.
Digital.
So?
It is changing slowly though. And I'm happy to say Resolution Insurance is one of the companies that is ahead of the game. We, traditionally, insurance takes long even to innovate.
Oh, really?
If you look, we used British law in Kenya until 1999. Insurance policies were written in that law.
Wow.
1999. Now, so in recent times we are changing. The issue is we are not digitizing as fast as possible. So today it is possible now to buy insurance online. Yeah. It's possible to buy insurance on your phone. But we still haven't arrived there because of some things that we have set up ourselves. E.g., the sticker for your car.
The sticker for my car?
The sticker for your car is a product of Association of Kenya Insurance. It's not by law. You need to identify you're insured. If you go to the US, they don't have a sticker.
No, they don't.
You need to prove you have insurance.
Yes.
There are very many ways you can prove you have insurance. Today, how do you prove you have a driving license? You don't have to carry your driving license.
No, I've been stopped by a cop before, and all I did was give him my AD number, and I was watching this thing he was tapping into, and it said valid. It literally, I couldn't believe it. He said, yeah.
Correct.
Go.
Now, we have so much data, and NTSA has your car registration number, your ID number. So there's a way they can prove.
Yes.
Just link up to the back end of your insurance company, and they can prove you're a valid insurance company.
Yes.
If you bank today, you go to an ATM, there's no manual interference.
No.
Or internet banking.
Yes.
So it's possible. But for us as an industry, there's some things we've done wrong. The minute, by the way, we get rid of that physical sticker, completely changes the game. But I want to get away from medical insurance, from motor insurance, and talk about other lines of insurance.
Tell me.
Today, we have compare sites on the internet.
We do?
Oh yeah, you can just log on and Google insurance in Kenya and say, oh, you want to buy motor insurance. It will give you, based on the benefits you want, which is the better company, which pays faster, which has the lowest premium. Yes, and you buy. We are not doing enough.
You're not doing enough?
No. So Resolution Insurance, we started by selling travel insurance online.
Yes.
And we decided with this product, we'll develop a portal. There is no manual interference. You can buy it.
Ziara.
Before Ziara, we have Resolution Travel.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Ziara, Ziara is internal.
It's local, yes.
I'm talking international travel.
Okay.
Yeah, we're the second largest travel insurer in Kenya. I want to give them
Let's actually talk about that because 'tis the season.
Right.
September, October, November, December. Okay.
Yes.
I understand the necessity of travel insurance, especially when I've always thought about it, or should you fall sick or something happens while you're... But you told me travel insurance covers what and what and what and what and what?
Travel insurance will cover death, will cover illness, loss of baggage, loss of passport, loss of cash, injury, trip cancellation. If all of a sudden today, how one of the airlines will call you and tell you, oh, by the way, we've had to cancel your trip because this flight, blah, 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 is cancelled.
Yes.
If you've been inconvenienced by that, you can get, the insurance company will refund you the cost of your ticket. Even if, by the way, it's acts of God, it was a storm. Or there was a riot on
the
Mombasa.
Ash cloud. I remember the ash cloud grounded a lot of people.
Do we pay claims for those things?
Okay, so I'm
going then loss of baggage, which is common.
That
you
one.
Arrive and your baggage doesn't arrive. We will pay. And please note, those claims are paid online also.
Really?
So you're traveling to Mauritius.
Yes.
You will go, your baggage doesn't get there. So the first thing you need to do is buy toothpaste, clothes, shoes.
Yes.
You take those receipts, scan them, log on to our portal. You have your bank account, we wire money to your account. Done. And there's a 24-hour call center that manages that process.
Okay, how much is it?
So let me give you a situation.
Yes.
You can buy insurance of 5 million for that trip to Mauritius for 3Gs. Pay M-Pesa, credit card, PayPal.
No.
Yes.
3,000 shillings covers me up to 5 million.
Or you can buy an annual product. Like
Yes.
I have a product that I pay 29 Gs for myself.
Yes.
It allows me worldwide travel, including the US, and multiple trips. I never have to buy every time.
But shouldn't every CEO and every salesperson who's running around have one of those?
Let me tell you a story that will make you laugh.
Tell me.
Kenyans buy travel insurance because the embassy has demanded. We won't give you a visa unless then they come now to us. And they can buy even outside the embassy, they pay by M-Pesa and print it out and give it to the embassy. So actually we should have agencies at the embassies.
You should.
Downstairs, the South African.
Yeah, because that's other, yes.
There is an agent who sells.
Oh, we're in Peter's office. That's why he's saying downstairs. Yes.
Yeah.
Really? 3,000 shillings?
Yes. Even cheaper.
Oh my goodness, we didn't know.
Okay. And so you can buy East Africa, Africa, worldwide, excluding North America, and complete worldwide. The products are there and they are online.
Yeah, because I've been, still for a moment, but I know I'm in travel mode again from September. I've got New York, I've got Hague, I've got South Africa, I've got what I really should. It's 3,000 shillings. I can do it online.
Yes. It takes literally 5 minutes to complete the process. So I'm looking at myself in the mirror and I'm saying we are the problem.
Yes, because you don't talk about it.
Don't talk about it. My daughter is 15.
Yes.
She will never buy insurance the way you and I have bought insurance.
No,
an agent is coming, complete a form.
No, it's never going to happen.
Right. Now today, we are selling all lines of insurance online. The only problem is now have to deliver the sticker. That's the only thing.
That sticker.
And then a long time ago, we used to print policy documents, a thick thing that you guys never used to read.
Yeah.
So now what you do when you buy, it's sent to you by email. You want to read it, you want to save it, you have to save it. It's there. You no longer have to print a policy document, which we used to seal. My first job, we used to seal and send to you and get a general manager to sign.
But seriously, as insurance, until you can come to the digital platforms or whatever, and especially available on my phone, you're going to miss out on a lot of young people.
So for us as a business, the way we're looking to go now is have a fully digital subsidiary.
Okay.
Because of change management, it's very difficult to change your business to fully digital.
Yes, because you've got to digitize everything.
A digital subsidiary. That everything's done digitally. Now, so like in Tanzania, we have a product called Bima Mkononi. Tanzania is ahead of us in things.
All right.
Bima Mkononi. You buy that product using your airtime. So it's called freemium.
Okay, yes.
Yeah. Claims are handled by a call center. You never meet anybody. And you buy it on USSD.
But can I play devil's advocate and ask you, when you digitize in that way, doesn't that mean, there'll be brokers who feel that, because they've always been the middlemen?
When was the last time you used a travel agent? You do booking.com?
Yes.
To be honest, and I tell my broker friends, and we need them in the industry.
Yes.
It's a dying business model. In 20 years, you will not need an insurance broker or an insurance agent.
I think even sooner.
But when I tell them that, and I get fought online when I raise it. The future is subscription. The future is do it yourself.
Yes.
And the future is digital. Now, so if I was a broker today, I'd be thinking what else to do in the future.
Yes, because that is going to disappear.
Someone coming to your office, knocking your door and explaining terms. You probably understand the terms better than most of them, and they're available online anyway.
Because the number of things I realize I can do online, and I'm not even going to think about international, just Kenyan. From even if you sell me your car, we do everything online.
When was the last time you went to a bank? There's an insurance company.
I haven't been to a bank for a while.
Called Lemonade, and I'll ask you guys to Google Lemonade. It's fully digital. And then their pricing mechanism.
Yes.
And it's profitable, and they're doing very, very well. That's the direction we are going in Kenya. Wow. Fully digital. But having said that, there are a lot of things we need to change about share capital, requirement structure. So it will take the regulators, the government, parliament, all that to digitize. For example, if you go today, if you walk out there, you have an insurance, you're insured by resolution.
Yes.
The policeman will still want to see sticker.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
The day we get rid of that sticker.
Yes.
Okay. Because there are many ways of proving insurance.
Yes.
Then so there are many parties. But
Yes.
we are the biggest culprits.
Yeah, because I'm sitting there
myself
thinking, but the truth is, I mean, even renewing my passport, because I had to do it last year, and renewing it, I was told, no, we're going to the e-passports.
Yes.
But literally, I did every piece of work online.
Exactly.
And I just handed in my papers. I told you, you'll be called. You'll get an SMS when your passport is ready. Pana kuja hapa kutusumbua, unasimama hapa.
Ujaza form.
And I hear for, this crew here, they're the only people who've never needed to know a chief. They go to a Huduma Center.
Huduma Center.
Yeah.
They no longer have to go to see a chief to sign for their ID.
I don't know what. And I hear they get a choice of pictures as well.
Our photos are ugly on.
Mine is extremely ugly.
We are behind the curve. And the insurance industry.
Yes.
So we are positioning Resolution Insurance as that company that innovates and goes out digital. Because our audience, they need that particular service. We are just not offering it them. So watch this.
So
space.
by and large, you are the insurance company of today and tomorrow.
Correct. So we haven't digitized everything.
Yes.
But we're heading there. So travel is full. Our Zero product is full. Digitized. Our emerging consumer products are all fully digitized, and now you can even buy motor insurance digitally. We launched a product recently called Next Taxi, where Uber drivers, Taxify drivers are actually buying insurance. They don't come to our offices. They're buying online. The Uber driver is insured by us, and they can pay daily by M-Pesa. They can pay credit card, they can pay PayPal.
Yes.
They can bank the money in the bank if they choose to, but it's all digital. But we end up delivering the sticker to them, that rotten sticker again.
But I guess, travel insurance can go online, but there's certain things definitely that are available on USSD.
Yes.
Yes.
Motor is available on your house insurance available on USSD.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. So the corporate side is not available on SSD yet because we still need to come see your finance manager and all that. But your house insurance, you can buy on USSD.
Got you. I have a question about fire, buildings, business premises, because it came up after the Sarat Center fire.
All right.
Okay, so subscribe and come back. And the good thing is now you can find these guys on digital. I don't know about other insurance companies. I'm not talking to them, I'm talking to Peter Nduati. So if you want to be with it, this is the company, Resolution Insurance.